their maiden venture, the first of its kind. And I'm really glad that it's happening in Amchi, Mumbai. And I hope to see more of it all over the country. And like our very, very illustrious panel on the dais said, that we want to see this compete with some of the heavyweights around the world. I look forward to that. Of course, with all that was said by our very high-rung people in the business, I really have nothing much to add to what they said. But when it comes to beauty and hair and the business that we work in, I wouldn't be able to be here on time, the way we look and the way we are put together, hadn't it been for those wonderful people in the beauty and hair business, because they are the ones who put us together and make sure that we are looking our best and on time. So I have immense pride and immense gratitude towards the beauty and hair business, because we are nothing without them. They are really what helps us be what you see on screen. So a huge heartfelt thank you to everyone of you that work in the beauty and hair business. And of course, this is a maiden venture, and I want to see it grow. I want to see it be something to really reckon with all the kind of power behind it, all the kind of media support that's going to be behind it. I'm sure Beauty India will be a product, a platform to reckon with. So I wish each one of you all the very best. I'm not sure how many stalls are here today. Sajid bhai, how many? 77. So I hope next year we see exactly double the number of stalls. That would mean that there is definitely a leap, an interest, and whatever Sajid bhai and his entire team are doing over here, that means that you guys are headed in the right direction. So I wish each one of you all the very best. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. Thank you. That we have, where we cater to all sorts of women online, shoppers online, where we cater right from clothing to lifestyle, home style, accessories. We cater to all of that. So yes, I'm very much part of that outfit, and I love it. It's very creative for me, and the online business is a fast-growing business, as everybody is aware. So yes, that's what I'm actually. So yes, I started off in the 90s, so it's been a long way, a long journey for all of us sitting over here. I would definitely think that we have definitely evolved. I think we all believe, I mean, we work with the belief that we all evolve, as well as the industry, because if we don't evolve, then I think there is a problem. We're just going to be stuck in a rut. We've come a long way. I think the industry is far more organized than what it used to be. Yes, there's still a long way where we all have to grow, but you always have to leave space for that growth. And I definitely feel really happy and proud to say that now I'm really part of an industry that is really organized. I mean, earlier I remember it was so I mean, now it's not like that. Now it is a full-fledged industry, and with a lot more happening and a lot more available. A lot of investment in it, so I think now everybody takes it seriously. You really do take it as a flourishing industry, and it's not something that you can take lightly. So I'm glad that a lot of the products that I see here today, a lot of the stalls are some of the products that I personally use. So they're all part of my daily routine. Lakme is something that I pretty much started off my career with. I did so much of work initially with Lakme, so Lakme is part and parcel of my growth in this business. And I think beauty secrets, I think, like they say, eventually it's all in your genes, right? All the products help you enhance it, but it's all in your genes. But thank you so much for that compliment nevertheless. And tips to mere paas to hai nahi koi tips. All I will say is go use all the products, try those products. I'm sure have more stalls over here, so that way you'll also be more aware of what's happening in terms of the beauty business. And those are all the tips I think a woman, if she can look great with makeup and without makeup, for me is sensation.